Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. The best insurance choice for used car type is as is well known. Four-wheel vehicle insurance is divided into two different types, namely all-risk and TLO. But types of insurance can also be applied to used car, but are adjusted to the age and the brand of the car. Here's the review. TLO insurance or total loss only the used car insurance that is most often chosen by vehicle owner is the TLO type because this one insurance will only bear the risk of losing the unit. The risk of actual damage will also be covered by the percentage of damage must reach 75% or if the car cannot be used normally. Generally, TLO insurance covers risks that are more easily financed by insurance companies. For example, when a car is accidentally hit and the car tread causing damage to the bumper, then you cannot file a claim because you use TLO type insurance. The reason is the damage is damage to a small number of vehicles. Such damage can only be claimed if the vehicle is insured using the all-risk type of insurance. The reason is the damage is damage to a small number of vehicles. Such damage can only be claimed if uninsured use the right type of insurance. However, TLO type insurance is highly recommended for used car owners because the premiums are much cheaper than all risk insurance. In other words, if you want to save on expenses, TLO insurance is highly recommended instead of risk insurance. And then step for buying used car insurance. With used car insurance, financially it will be greatly helped because the cost of damage has been borne by the insurance company. To get the right insurance product, there are several points that need to be considered in order to minimize case of paying the wrong product. That often occur, and then we explain about it. 1. Understand the type of used car insurance. In general, there are two types of insurance products that can be purchased on the market, namely TLO and all rights, but have their own effects and disadvantages which automatically affect the claim. 2. Checking vehicle performance and age. The name is used vehicle. Its performance is definitely not good when compared to a new vehicle. Before buying a good insurance product, first check the vehicle performance thoroughly, especially in the vehicle engine because this is where the key to the performance is. Especially for vehicles that are old and lack good performance, insurance company may refuse registration application because on the risk of damage to the car is too high. If it is accepted, there will become these that are included in car insurance policy. It is important to provide extra car for used car before and after being insured. Don't worry about being covered by insurance. You can ignore maintenance on the car. And then 3. Change of hand on policy name for the purchase of a used car whose installment have not been paid off by the previous owner. You need to carry out the process of changing the name of the insurance policy. The goal is to facilitate the claim process because during a claim you must attach supporting document is one of the requirements. Policy change required a certainly process time. Usually during the working day. Outside of that, the process is declared pending and will continue on the next day. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe